What if I told you death might just be a mistake, a tiny glitch hidden deep inside our DNA? And now, scientists think they've finally found a way to fix it. Inside a quiet lab at Harvard University, a small team of scientists just made a discovery that could change human evolution forever. Imagine living not 80 years, but 200. Sounds impossible, right? Until you see what they found. A discovery so powerful, it could rewrite what it means to grow old. But it's not that simple. Let's explore how. Deep inside every one of your cells lies a code, your DNA. It decides everything about you, your height, your eye color, and even how long you'll live. But over time, this code starts to break. At the end of each DNA strand, there are tiny protective caps called telomeres. Every time your cells divide, these telomeres get shorter, like burning the end of a candle. And when they finally run out, your cells stop dividing. That's when aging begins. But at Harvard, scientists may have just found the reset button. By reactivating a special enzyme called telomerase, they managed to restore those protective caps and literally reverse aging in lab mice. Old mice regained muscle strength, their brains cleared up, and organs repaired damage, effectively becoming biologically younger. It wasn't just slowing aging, it was turning it back. These results stunned the scientific community. But telomerase is only part of the story. Scientists are also using CRISPR and a set of genes called the Yamanaka factors to reprogram aged cells back into youthful ones. Think of it as rebooting your body's software. Old cells are rewritten into fresh, healthy cells without changing who you are. Like software updating its code. No surgery, no pain, just genetic rebooting. Early lab tests show regenerated tissue growth and improved organ function. This science isn't only in journals, it's in the boardrooms of biotech companies. Some clinical trials are already testing small-scale rejuvenation therapies in humans, and early results are promising. The world's richest people are already betting on it. Companies like Altos Labs, backed by Jeff Bezos and other billionaires, are pouring billions into cellular rejuvenation, the science of living longer, stronger, and maybe even forever. Some believe that by 2040, age could become optional. But there's a dark side. If humans could live 200 years, what would that mean for the planet? More people, more competition, more inequality, and maybe a world where only the rich can buy youth. Immortality might not be a gift. It could be the next great divide. The discovery at Harvard might be just the beginning, a spark in the long story of evolution. Maybe one day, death won't be the end of life, just another problem to solve. But until then, our DNA still holds its biggest secret. This is THK Shots, tomorrow's stories told today.